Hello and welcome back to my channel viewers. If you are new here, my name is Sheen. Today I am back with another contouring and highlighting tutorial for oval face, and it is a requested one by gorgeous Neha Kalakuri and beautiful Lopamutra Deb. Thank you so much girls for requesting. Please sit back and relax. Try not to fast forward this video because I have done something new this time which I have never done before. So without further ado, let's get started. So as usual, I'm going to start on my fresh clean face. I will be applying some primer first to make a smooth base for my makeup, and today I will be using Flower Perfecting Primer. To get some extra softness, I am going to add a brightening face serum. You can apply any moisturizer if you like, but if you have oily face, then just skip this step. Okay, so today I will be using this corrective concealer palette for the first time, and I want you to tell me how to use it because I'm still learning. I know this peach shade goes to cover up the dark circles, so that's what I'm gonna do. This green is apparently for red spots, and man, my face is full of red spots. So yeah, there you go. And this blue neutralizes hyperpigmentation and dullness. I know the camera makes it look all same. And this yellow brightens the purple tones. However, the whole thing is meant for extremely fair skin, so I decided to go ahead and add some extra peach on my dark circle area. And I'm going to take a wet beauty blender and blend everything gently. It's time for foundation, and this 155 Soft Honey CoverGirl goes perfectly well with my complexion. Again, I will be using this same beauty blender and dab all over my face and dab it gently. The face already looks very smooth if you can see in the camera. To set everything, I am going to apply this translucent loose face powder all over my face. It will stop your foundation from melting away. I'm gonna start highlighting my face first. I took this highlighter stick just to show you the outline. You can totally skip this step and start with the one you are going to use for highlighting. Clearly there is a huge difference when we highlight for different shaped face. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill the outlines, and it will be more clear to you how to highlight for oval face. Now I am going to take a contour stick and cream contour my face. I will give the detail of all my makeup products in the description box below. So this is it. Now it's time to blend everything. I'm gonna blend all of these colors into one. The whole thing molds in together, so you still have highlights and contours without it being noticeable. Now I'm taking this powder contour and cover those areas where we just cream contoured before. And then I will just set my highlighted areas by this setting powder. Now they are all nice and dry, and it will last for a long time. Taking a simple Lakme eyebrow pencil, I am just going through the eyebrow to darken it and thicken the area slightly. For eye makeup, I will be just using 3 colors today from this palette. First, I will be taking this white shimmery shade and cover my whole eyelid and also the arch area and right the way up to the brow bone as well. Now I am taking this rustic brown tone and going into the crease of the eye, and I will bring this down onto the outer corner of the lid as well. Then I will just cover my cheeks with some loose face powder, as I am not going to apply eye protector today, and this will protect my makeup if my darker eyeshadow spills. I will just place my finger as a guard and apply this charcoal shade on outer V area and a little on my crease. To highlight my face, I will be using Liquid Glow from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I am just going to cover my nose and chin first because I haven't done my blush yet. So for that I will be using this 540 Rose Silk tone from CoverGirl and apply on the apple of my cheeks, a little on the tip of my nose and slightly on my chin. After that I will keep highlighting my face till I feel like it's done. Then I'm going to take this Noir liquid eyeliner from Maybelline and start from outer wing. Gradually I will be covering the inner corner and I will keep checking on the mirror. I'm not making it super thick because it will be harder to control. Now I will take a black eye pencil and cover my lower lash line. Then I will be taking an angular brush and run some of the shadow underneath the eyes as well to connect everything and make it a bit more harmonious. Now just sweep it off. Then take a curler and curl your lashes for good 20 to 30 seconds. Try to use waterproof mascara whenever you apply. I'm not gonna wear any fake lashes today because the tutorial is all about contouring and highlighting, so it don't make much difference. Then I'm going to take a brown lip liner and draw the lips in such a way that it looks bigger and fuller. I'm gonna take this passionate pink color and cover my lips. To make it extra glamorous, I will be using this metallic lip gloss and apply just on the middle. To secure the whole makeup, I am gonna apply some setting spray. So there you go. Honestly, my round face doesn't look round anymore. I would like to thank you for watching. Please comment below if you have any question. I will get back to you as soon as possible. I'm so glad you guys are here. I upload every week, so stay tuned. I will catch you guys in the next one. I love you guys so much. Stay well, stay safe. Bye.